E-bikes aren't just an expensive toy anymore. They're actually one of the fastest, cheapest ways cities can cut carbon emissions, reduce traffic, and make people healthier. I'm Grant, and this is Happy Eco News. Let's start with the numbers because they're pretty compelling. Research shows that e-bike rebates achieve carbon savings per dollar comparable to those of electric vehicle incentives. We're talking about $1 per ton of avoided emissions. But here's the difference. E-bikes bring benefits that EVs can't match. Electric car incentives actually encourage more driving, while e-bike programs, by contrast, reduce congestion, lower infrastructure costs, and make people more active. Electric cars can even trigger what's called a rebound effect. Because the running costs are cheaper, people end up driving more. E-bikes flip that logic entirely. In British Columbia, a rebate program led to participants cycling 25 miles more per week. This is cutting car use and improving their health. Every e-bike that replaces a car prevents approximately 225 kilograms of carbon dioxide annually. That's equivalent to the emissions of one short-haul flight. Beyond carbon reductions, e-bikes deliver other human health gains. Fewer cars means cleaner air, while the pedal assist encourages physical activity. Denver's 2022 rebate program sold out within days, helping thousands switch to cycling. Data shows it reduced car trips by up to 28% among participants. Similar initiatives in France and the Netherlands have achieved measurable improvements in air quality and reduced traffic congestion. Infrastructure costs also favor bikes by an enormous margin. Building 1 mile of protected bike lane costs about $1 million in North America. 1 mile of urban freeway can cost over $60 million. Yet most North American cities still spend billions expanding highways while neglecting basic bike safety. And safety is the real turning point here. Studies from Portland and Copenhagen show that dedicated bike lanes cut serious cycling injuries by more than half. In New York City, intersections redesigned with protected lanes saw a 20% drop in collisions overall. This proves that when roads are safer for e-bikes, they're safer for everyone. E-bike batteries have a far smaller footprint than car batteries, and most weigh under 4 kilograms and last up to 5 years. Recycling programs already recover key metals like lithium and cobalt, and compared to multi-ton battery packs used in electric cars, e-bike batteries create a fraction of the production and disposal impact. Cargo e-bikes are also revolutionizing urban logistics. Companies like FedEx, DHL, and UPS now use electric cargo bikes to replace vans for last-mile deliveries, slashing emissions in dense city centers. In London alone, replacing 20% of delivery vans with cargo e-bikes could cut 300,000 tons of carbon dioxide annually while easing gridlock and improving air quality. Accessibility remains the next frontier. E-bikes allow older riders and people with disabilities to travel further and more comfortably. San Francisco's car-free Great Highway project and New York's plan to convert defunct newsstands into charging hubs show how public spaces can be repurposed for sustainable mobility. Shared e-bike systems, like those in Chinese cities, already reduce emissions through car trip substitution. E-bikes won't replace cars overnight, but they can transform urban life quickly if leaders act decisively. A transportation researcher from Portland State University notes that people ride e-bikes because they're fun. Fun, affordable, and sustainable. This is the trifecta cities have been chasing after for decades. The only question now is whether they'll actually pay to build it or not. If you have any questions about this or any of our videos, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about the people and technologies shaping our green future, please subscribe, like, and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.